Good afternoon, team. So we'll be getting a lot of requests regarding how to create an Algo account with Tradetron, how to deploy the strategy, how to add a broker with Tradetron account. There are a lot of questions we are receiving in daily basis. So we are just trying to address some of the queries, which will be very easy for you to deploy the strategies in the live market. So creating an account with Tradetron is very simple. Just go into the website called tradetron.tech. So once you go into the website, it will ask you to create an account. So in just click, there is an option called sign in with Google. So once you click, if you have a Google account, just click on it. It will create an account for you automatically when you click it with the default email ID. Or else you can go ahead with some other email ID, put your username and password. That's all. It's very simple to create an account with Tradetron. So once your account has been created, you will be coming up like this. Here in your profile, there is an option called broker and exchanges here. So here there will be an option to add your broker. Just click on it. Once you click on add your broker, it will list you so many brokers which is associated with the Tradetron. So these are some list which is available. These are the broker which is available. Say for example, if I'm having an account with ProfitMart, I'm just clicking it, and here it will ask me my user ID and my password, and there is a token and something called session. How to configure it? There is a link. It will take you to how you need to configure the account with Tradetron. Here it will ask you ProfitMart, user ID is your username, password is your password, token. It is auto login and it is auto login. Once you save, that's it. It's very simple. For some companies, it may differ. For example, let's take Paytm. Paytm is very easy. Okay, Zerodha will cost you around 2000 rupees per month for just API. So if you are ready to pay 2000 rupees every month to Zerodha API, then you can configure with Zerodha also. So here, these are the brokers available. Let me tell you another broker, for example, Allies Blue. So Allies Blue, the same. Uh, Here there is an option called client ID, client secret, token, and there are some username and password. So how to set up? Simple. Just click the link. In this link, you will have an entire option. So what are the brokers available? Everything you can find out here. In the down, there is an option called partners. When you click on partners, you already have an option. These are the brokers available, and these are the setup instruction. By using this setup instruction, you can easily configure the broker with your Tradetron account. So this is very simple. Do it. So once you create an account with a Tradetron, you need to add the broker. So once, for example, here I have added 4 or 5 of my broker. One is Kotak, one Angel, Paytm Money, Edelweiss, and Finvestia. So I regularly use Edelweiss and Kotak Securities for Bank Nifty futures or Nifty futures, stock futures. I'll be doing that, and for options buying, I'll be going with Angel Money sometimes, and for option writing, I'm going with Finvestia. So I have 4 different accounts for different kind of trading. So once you add your broker, what you need to do is you need to subscribe to our strategy, where you can find in our Telegram channel. The links has already provided there. You just click on it. Otherwise, you just come here. There is an option called strategies. There you will have an option called marketplace. Just click on it. Here you can just go and type our company name, Grow Positive. Once you click on search, it will list what are the strategies which is available here. For example, these are the strategies available right now, which is positional option buying. This is 2500 daily Nifty. This is positional Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. So these are the available. Totally, there are 8 algos available. So as per your requirement, as per your capital, you can deploy what algo you need. Say for example, in one example, I can tell you so how this algo works. What are the functionality? What are the profit ratio? It is very simple to define. See, you can take this algo. This algo name is called positional Bank Nifty options buying. So the name itself tells you this is a positional algo which carry forward your trades. The trade will be taken and it will be carry forward for the next day. Whether it is a gap down or gap up, it will reflect 100%. We launched this algo 3 months back, and currently we are at 537% of returns. 3 months, what is the capital required for this? The capital required is 30,000. So if you deploy 30,000 rupees in this algo before 3 months, currently you will be sitting in the profit of 500 percentage and above, which means when you click it will show what is the result. You can see it here. This is an equity curve, and here you can see this. January, just 2 sessions it has stayed, so minus 3,000. February it was 73,000 with the capital of 30. When you deploy 30,000, it has given you the returns of already 73,000 in February. So your capital is already safe and you have already taken out your capital. Then March, you already have 54,000. Then current month, April till 22 days, it's in the profit of 37,000. So this is the profit and currently running, and this is the performance of the algo. So very well, you can check the performance of the algo here in the chart itself, right? It's pretty simple, and it's a profitable algo. And to tell you another thing, this algo has already listed. You can check it here. These are the top algo strategies. You can check it here. In the 7th position, our algo is listed. Hopefully, we will be coming to the top 1 or 2 by this month. We will be expecting, but soon we will be coming up to the number 1 place. This month we are rated at number 7. Okay, coming back to the strategies. So these are the strategies available, as I already told you. One moment. Okay, so once you can just see it here, and if you are a subscriber, if you are not already subscribed, there is an option here to click the subscribe button. So once you click it will be listed here in the My Strategies page. So once you subscribe, you can see it here. So there are totally 8 algos available. So you can check each algo has each functionalities. For example, this is positional bank nifty option buying. So what is the point? Position, it will take the position in bank nifty, and it will carry forward for the next day. And next day, if there is a buy or sell, according to that, it will exit and enter the next position. It will always carry the position except Thursday evening, because the Thursday is an expiry day. If it's a Wednesday, it will be the Wednesday expiry day. So on the expiry day, it will exit the position and it will take the new position on the next day. And here it is another algo called Bank Nifty Futures. It's a marathon. What it will do is it will take a position in the futures. So after taking the position in the futures, what it will do is it will keep on trading. It will keep on trading for the entire day as per the conditions. And in the evening around 3:27, it will take a hedge position. What is mean by hedge? Hedge is nothing but a position which will give you a risk reward. For example, if market is trading at 37,000, and when you are going with this algo, it is just selling 37. It is selling at 37,000. Say for example, but some news is coming out, and immediately the next day it is a gap up of maybe 500 points, for example. So in that case, you will be in the position of losing almost 12,500, because it's a 500 points of gap up. So to avoid this kind of scenario, we will be taking an hedge position. Hedge position is nothing but when the market is trading at 37,000, the future price, then Algo will take the at the money position. At the money is nothing but 37,000 CE or PE as per the buy side. It will take the 37,000 CE as an hedge. So, for example, if the good news is out, it will be 500 points gap up. Yes, we will be losing in the futures. 12,500 loss we will be facing. But in the options, we may bought at around 300 rupees. During the 500 points of gap up, we may come around with 300 to 400 points of profit in the options. So your loss will come down drastically to 5,000, 4,000, or 3,000 sometimes. So to avoid the overnight risk, we will be taking a hedge position. The hedge will enter at 3:27 p.m. and the position of option which is taken as an hedge will exit around 9:30 a.m. So 9:30 it will completely exit the position. It will not take any further trade in option. It will keep on trading only on the futures. So that is the position I was posting a screenshot in our channel. So for example, I'm trading in this account Nifty. I can show you some of the deployments here. All right. So currently, I deployed this in my trading account with an advice with a capital of 1 lakh, and it is deployed on 18th. Previously, I deployed on 18th in another account, but unfortunately, there is an error. So I just archived it and again redeployed on 18, and it is showing 36,000 of profit here. So here you can see one position is future, and there are few option position. So what it will do exactly here? Say for example, yesterday you can see yesterday around 20th day before yesterday it was taking a position. It was taking a position of sell side at 17,149. 17,149 it has sold, but the market is gap up. It was open gap up of almost 100 points, right? So look at 918 of next day, it is 70,246. So what will happen if you are going in the next position? You will be in the loss of nearly 5,000 rupees. But when you hedge yourself, when it is sold, obviously it will take a position in the CE. You can just check out here the same entry, the 328, it has taken a position at the CE. Okay, so CE position it has taken, and by 925 it has exited in position around 183. So here you will be in the profit of 2,600 rupees. So you will be in the loss of 5,000, but because of this hedge, you come around exited with the profit of 2,600 in the option. So your loss will be only 2,600, not 5,000, right? It is very simple. In another case, we can check that. So 19th, it has taken a position. You can check it here. 19th, around 224, it has taken a sell position, sell to minus 50 sell position at 17,260. But the next day, it was a huge gap down. Next day, we got an exit around 17,001. What time? 980. Luckily, it was moving up because of reliance. And what is our cutoff time for the option? It is 925 to 930. So once it has taken a position at 17,000, look out here. Already we will be in a profit of more than 260 points, and we already have an hedge position with the CE here. We have taken a position at 150, 150, and we exited around, there is an error, but obviously it has exited around 300 rupees. So you can check it here. It has taken a position of the CE at 157 previous day, and it has exited at 301. So you got a profit of 7,000. So you already have a profit in the sold option, I mean sold futures, and also you are getting the profit in the CE buy also. So these things sometimes happen, and we will be getting some nice profits here also. So this is how the marathon overnight hedge will work. So after that, there are so many strategies which is very easy, nice profit. It will always give. For example, if you take 2,500 Nifty or Bank Nifty, the role is very simple. It will take a position around 920. It will take P or C as per the condition. So it will trade till the 2,500 rupees of target is met. So once 2,500 target is done, it will exit and it will not trade anymore. The next day again it will get activated. What is the best time? What is the best time to enter? Is you need to enter around 9. Before 9 you need to enter. I'm saying there are so many people entering around 12:30, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock and all. It See, by entering 11:30, it is already taken a position. It may already trade, it may already ended. Sometimes we are not sure it will work or not work. So best time to enter any of the strategy is before 9 o'clock in the morning is best. Definitely don't enter 2,500 and Nifty and Bank Nifty in the mid market time around 10, 11, 12. Don't enter. So this is very simple. It will be taking a question. It will wait till 2,500 rupees of profit. So once 2,500 rupees profit is reached, it will automatically exit their position. So you can check it here. So today it has entered. Okay, we can just check the last 4 days performance. The first day there are 3 trades taken. One will be the loss and one will be the small profit, and the next trade it has entirely did the 3,200. There are people having some doubts. Okay, 2,500 in the sense the position which is taking only hits 2,500 or P&L is 2,500. Obviously, the P&L is 2,500. Here, look at 900 minus here 200 minus obviously 700. Here it will be trade till 3,200 to give you an profit of 2,500 here, right? So until you achieve your profit of 2,500 rupees, it will trade. So first day happened, second day, there are so many trades have been taken. The first trade around a loss, and the next trade is in profit, and again next trade is in the loss, and next trade is in the profit, and the profit has been done. And this is today's. I think day before. Sorry, this is yesterday one. So in the yesterday one, the same. First in the loss, then profit, and your target is done. And this is today performance. Today performance also, it has taken a two position when market is falling in the morning. It has taken a put. Immediately there is a small upside movement triggered. By using that upside movement, it has completed the target. So it's very simple. And 2,500 is for people who want limited profits of with a capital of 25,000. For example, if someone having 1 lakh and you need to put 4 lots here, there are some questions like how many lots these are and how it will work. Here, that's an option called multiplier. Multiplier is nothing but lots. 1 lots, 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, 5 lots, 6 lots. How many lots you want to put? Say, for example, I want to take 1,000 quantity, which is 1,000 divided by 25 is equal to 40 lots. So if I select 40, it will enter in the 40 lots. So you need to have a capital of 10 lakh. So if you're having a capital of 10 lakh, it will trade until 2,500 rupees into 40. Till then, it will trade for the day. So this is the same. The Bank Nifty also the trade the same concept, and the Nifty 2,500 also trade the same concept. Both are very simple. Both are very strong. Coming to the next one, Super Algo, or you can see Jackpot Algo. There are two algos, which is called Moro and to intraday kind of algos. So their main work is to trade from 9:30 to 3:10, and it will not carry any of the overnight positions. Say for example, we will be checking the Super Algo. So Super Algo, what it will do is it will take a position. It will take a positions uh, around 9:30 is the cutoff entry time, but as per the condition, for sometimes the condition will satisfy at 9:30, sometimes 10 o'clock, sometimes 11 o'clock. Some days the condition may not fulfilled. So based on that, it will work. So this is in today entry. Last last 3 sessions entry is here. You can just check the today's entry here. In the morning, it was a gap down, right? So in the gap down, it may take a position. It may take in the first position at what time. Okay, 9:39 is the first entry here. So by 9:39, it has taken a position in the call option at 263 and exited at 11:48 p.m. at 309 with a profit of 2,270. After that, the market may fall. The small signal has came. So again, he entered in the put option 11:48 262. You look at for 1 hour, only 6 points drop, and it exited with the 6 point of loss. And again, it has taken a position in the C. So in the C, it has entered around 248, and again, market may be falling a little bit, and it exited their position by 260. And again, now it is trading in the 17,500 put option. It has entered at 271. And now the market, based on the moment, if it is falling, this will move. If it is not falling, again it will change the position. So loss is very predefined. So you will not face much losses. There is for people asking questions of what is the risk, what is the reward ratio, and all. See, risk reward ratio and all, you can check it very well here. ROI means what are the returns you will be getting on your investment. So it is 15% on your investment. What is the drawdown if someday, if loss happen, how much the loss will be? So Super Algo yesterday faced around a loss of 3,000. So the 3,000 is the maximum loss for one day. Okay, let's take this. Mm, okay, let's take the push algo, which is we launched 3 months back. So in this algo, drawdown is 99%, which means completely 100% of 30,000 the risk. So 30,000, it doesn't mean you will be losing all the 30,000 rupees in the one day. Say for example, one or two bad trading days may come. Today 5,000 loss. So see today only I'm coming to the market, and today only I'm deploying this algo. I don't have any profit. I'm just completely just starting today only. So once I'm starting today, the first day I'm facing a loss of 4,000. Next day I'm facing the loss of 5,000. Next day I'm facing the loss of 10,000. Next day I'm facing loss of. So for next 4 days, if I face the losses, the next fifth day when I'm taking the profit, this is called drawdown. So the 29 is what is the maximum loss you have faced is called drawdown. So the maximum loss you have faced in the capital is around 30,000 rupees. It doesn't mean it started from day one. Maybe the first week 100% return has been come. The second week another 100%, 200% return. After the 200% return, the third week this may happen. So this may happen on the third week or this may happen on the first week. It depends. See, sometimes if market is in the range bound, this will happen. In the last 3 months, we have tuned our algo the maximum probabilities of making the success in each and every entries only. Uh, Sometimes before we were checking about that put option algo, right? In the super algo. Just we'll look into this one moment. Super algo, where is that? Right. See, this is Algo we are talking about. Few minutes before, and it was trading before some time. It was around 264. It's an entry at 271, and currently trading at 280. So based on that entry, based on the conditions, based on the rule we have defined, it will enter and exit automatically. So if you are a working person, if you don't have time, and if you want some passive income, extra income, and if you don't you are keep on losing your money in the market, we recommend this algo, and this will work 100% fine. So what you can do is you can just start with a small money, maybe 25,000 or 50,000. You can start, deploy one or two algos, take some profit, deploy it in the rest of the algo. One day you will be taking completely your capital, and the total profit will be within you. Say, for example, I was trading in a strategy, bank nifty strategy, as I told. Yeah, the strategy, for example. So the strategy I'm trading, currently I'm in the profit of 36,000. Okay. So in this 36,000, if I want to deploy some algo, maybe super algo, maybe a jackpot bank nifty algo, if I want to deploy, I need 25,000 rupees, right? So I already earned 36,000. So deploying 25,000 from my profit is not a big deal, right? So it is very easy, and you will be getting awesome profits in the bank nifty also. See, why I preferred bank nifty is it is less volatile compared to the bank nifty. But I'm deploying some bank nifty also in some testing basis, and once it is successful, we'll let you know. This for this we need only 50,000 rupees. It will take futures, and that's an option as an hedge. It will just for minimizing the capital margin money, and this will take a position. So currently it was trading in the 2,300 rupees of profit for today, and in the same condition it will enter by 9:30, and it will exit around 3:10. This will be the testing, and soon it will be released. So till then you have a wide option to trade in the 8 algos, which is giving awesome profit. There are people already made returns of more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh profit in this algo. So we can start, and comparing to our fees, see, we will be not charging anything in the upfront. There are strategies which will ask you to pay the fees of 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. See, it's very simple. Once you earn money, once you are in profit, just share. Just share your profit with us. Initially, we have a profit sharing of 25%, and there are people who is request based on the client request, we have reduced this to 20% right now. So the subscribing the strategy is absolutely free, and you will have a 20% of profit sharing on weekly basis. So weekly basis in the sense Monday to Friday, the algo will trade. Saturday we will be raising you the invoice for making the payment. You have time for 2 days. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, you have 3 days of time. Monday before EOD, end of the day, or 9:30 p.m., you need to make the payment of the invoices which we already created. So once you clear the invoice, from next day the algo will again start the work. But if you have not clear your payments on time, again it may lead to blocking you. You will not allow to trade in by using this algo from next day, between the fourth day, and the strategy will be completely blocked. So it's completely free to subscribe the strategy, and you will be sharing a 20% of profit with us. Simple. So when you deploy 1 lakh and you are earning a profit of 10,000, you are going to share only 2,000 with us, and the rest 8,000 is for you. Okay. So everything is the same. All the algos which will charge you only 20% of the profit. And there are people who is having some doubts. Since you're saying weekly, for 1 week I'm in profit, the next week I'm not, I may not in the profit, then what should I do? It's very simple. The first day, for example, you are starting by today. Today, if you start, unfortunately, today itself you are losing around 5,000 rupees. So what will happen? Tomorrow is the billing date. So tomorrow, when we check your profile, obviously it will show you are in the loss of 5,000 rupees. So we are not able to charge you anything. So again, you started the deployment by next week. Next week again, once you started, what happened? It will trade on Monday to Friday again. Next week you will be making a profit of, say for example, 1 lakh. You already lost 5,000 and you will be making a profit of 1 lakh. So the next week Saturday, when we create a bill, it doesn't mean we'll be considering only from the Monday to Friday. It will be considered from the last day, which is Saturday also. When you are in the loss, you will not be charged. After your loss is completely covered, once you turn into the profit, then only the fees collection will be applicable. Till then, it will be not charged. For example, the 5,000 is in the loss. The next week will be the profit of 1 lakh. That 5,000 will be reduced in that 1 lakh. So 95,000 is the profit. From 95,000, you are going to pay us 20% as the commission. So this is how it will work. So I hope it is pretty clear. It's very simple. Office going people, please make a use of it. This will be definitely a passive income for you. If you are staying in the home, you don't have work, you're looking for some alternate money, and this will be the best way. You no need to concentrate and all. Yes, you need to do some certain works like token generation and all in the morning. For example, if I use Kotak Securities, I don't want it will not ask you to create a code. It will automatically generate the code by 8:55 in the morning. It will do automatically. Angel broking also, it will make a code automatically. But Paytm, if you are using some brokers, it will ask you to see. For example, we would require users to log in here every day to renew their API token. What it means, you need to click and it will take you to the login page. So you need to log in daily here in the morning. So once you log in the morning, it will see the last updated date will change, and it will allow you to take the position. For example, if you have an open position, and if you forgot to take a or if you forgot to generate the token, obviously the trade will not take. For example, if you have a sell position and you forgot to generate the token the daily in the morning, the position will not get squared off, because you need to generate the token. Once the token has been generated, then only you are able to the Tradetron API will close the existing position in your brokerage account. So please make sure that you will be creating the token around 9 o'clock early in the morning. Before 9 o'clock, make sure you have generated the token in your broker. Some broker automatically generate the token. Some broker you need to log in manually only. For example, I have enrolled 6 or 5 companies. Kotak or automatically they will take. Angel automatically they will take. Paytm, I need to log in here by using this link. Edelweiss, I need to log in by using this link. And Finvision, I need to just click this button to generate the token. So 3 different functionalities. This one is different. This too is different and this too is different. So it will change you broker to broker. So please make sure that you will not forget to generate the token. And there are people having the questions of, sir, I have a very much difference in the paper trade and in the live trade. See, paper trade is nothing but it's a fake trade. For example, if just come to this condition, just have a look at it. Currently, the 36,700 put option is in the open position and it is trading in the 572 rupees right now. Now 571, right? It's a paper trade. When paper trade is there, when the condition is satisfied, for example, if I'm saying once OIA open interest increases more than 40% in this uh, 4 ITM or something, there's a condition 4 ITM money. So based on the condition, you need to take CE position. If I'm giving the rule, once the four conditions are satisfied, immediately it will take the trade. Whether it is 570, 560, 590, it will not, because this is all the fake trades. It will not reflect in your real money, so it just take. But in your real account, what will happen is first it will place a buy order at 572. There should be some seller to execute the 572 order. If there is no seller, then it will move to 573. If there is no seller there, again 574, 575, 576, it will move like that. So where you maybe sometimes your order will get luckily at 570 itself, or sometimes it will go to 580. Sometimes it will happen. So based on that, that slippages will be there. People are saying, you here it is showing 2,300 for me, it is only 2,000. Where is the 300 rupees gone? 300 rupees not gone. Here it is taking the position when condition is satisfied. Immediately position is taken. There is no need to buy and sell, need to execute for this paper trading. But in the real trade, there should be a seller for a buyer. So obviously the difference will be there. So please understand that for the slippages we can't do anything. Make sure your broker's API is very fast. If your broker API is very fast, the trade will get activated immediately. Some brokers may be of investing and all, their API is little bit slow. It will take some position. It will show you live tranching for some time and it will take a position after maybe 10 to 20 seconds. So in the for what will happen? See, paper trade entering at 570. After 10 seconds, the price moved to 600. The real trade is entering at 600. Obviously, you will be getting a loss of 750 rupees, which is a 30 points difference. So paper trade and this trade will differ maximum time. So try to go ahead with the perfect broker to avoid this kind of scenarios. Right. So I hope it's very clear and simple. I have explained you how to create an account, how to add your broker, what are the strategies available, what are the strategies of benefits, what is the risk, what is the ratio, how much the profit you can expect, what is the payment terms we are taking, how much the profit sharing, everything we have covered here. And if you have any queries, there is an ID there posted in the channel itself. Please reply to that ID, send your messages to that ID, and we will be replying to all of your queries. Let's try to trade more in this algo, because definitely when we are doing a trade manually, we have emotion attached to it. For example, uh, I'm thinking market may go up. I'm taking 3600 call option. Yes, once I enter 560, it is going to 570, 580. After going 570, 580, I thought, okay, this will go 600, 700 and all. But suddenly it is reversing 560, 540, 530 even. But if you trade manually, what you will do is your emotion will come into the play and you will be thinking, okay, we can wait for some time. It will reverse from here. So you'll be waiting till 500. And again, you will be thinking, okay, we can, from here it will reflect, this is the support. From here it will change the position. You will be thinking like that. Then what will happen? It will go to 450. At the end of the day, you will be losing 200 or 100 points just by waiting in the wrong trade. But algo trading, there is no emotions allowed. No emotions is there. If there is a position is in the loss, immediately it will cut the position and take the next position. And the profit. Uh, few people happy with 50 points profit, few people happy with 100 points profit. See, one day the market is falling 1,000 rupees. Do you think you are able to cover all the 700 rupees of profit completely? Definitely not. Even if you're trailing the stop loss, also you can't cover the 70 points of profit. I mean, 700 points of profit. We may exit at 100 points profit, 200 points profit, maximum 300 points rupees of profit. But when you deploy the algo, it will wait till the maximum juice is out. For example, uh, here we can check one trade which happened. Okay, which day? Okay, this day there is a gap up, I think. Yeah, it's a gap up on first. The first, it has taken an entry at 3 p.m. 6:36, and 9:48 only it has exited at 1,478, which is almost 800 points of profit. You deferred only 15,900 and you got almost 21,000 here. If you are doing manual trades, what will happen? You entered before the previous day 6:36, 9:15. Obviously, it has opened around 1,000 or 900 for sure. And what you will be thinking, okay, this is a very good profit. Let us exit by 900 or 1,000. For 300 points, we'll be happy. Definitely, if I'm doing the trade, I'll be happy. But machine trade, automatic trading, algo trading, this is the beauty. It has waited till 9:48 and it exited the position at 1,478 only. So these are the main reasons we are recommending the algo trading to everyone, especially you are an office going person. You can't sit in front of the system anytime, and if you are doing some other work, you can't focus. So it is very simple to deploy the algo and take the money out from this. Okay, so subscribe our strategies deployed in the live market, understand how it works. Any doubts, please ping us in the Telegram channel. Share your feedbacks, and if you want any improvement in this, please share us that too. We will be considering definitely. We will be improving from day one. The algo was completely different, but today the algo was completely different because of your feedback. We have changed this so many risk reward ratios and all. So please do share your feedbacks and when you are in the need, right? Okay, so simple. So please subscribe all the strategies according to your requirement, according to your capital. And again, I'm telling you, there is nothing called guaranteed here in the market. Sometimes we may in the profit, sometimes we may in the losses. You need to keep loss and the profit in the same box. You should not think, oh, enjoy the profits, and you should not complain about the losses. So please keep both in the same box. Okay. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.